Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best lapidary trim saws that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Jingling 6-inch diamond lapidary blades. Now this product is a little different from the others on this list because it's not a full saw, but rather a set of 5 super thin diamond-coated blades. These blades are designed specifically for precision cutting of softer, high-value stones like turquoise, opals, and gasbite. The ultra-thin rim, measuring just 0.4 millimeters, ensures minimal material wastage, making it an excellent choice for those working on delicate or expensive projects. The design of the Jingling blades focuses on efficiency and precision. With a 6-inch diameter and a 5/8-inch arbor hole, these blades are compatible with most lapidary saw machines. The durable carbon steel construction, combined with the diamond coating, provides excellent cutting results. However, keep in mind that these blades are best suited for short-term use or projects that don't demand heavy-duty cutting power. While the Jingling blades are not as versatile as a full lapidary saw, they are a cost-effective option for hobbyists and professionals who already own a compatible saw. They are ideal for those who prioritize precision and want to reduce material loss. The downside here is that you'll need a separate saw to use these blades, and they're not suitable for harder materials. But if you're looking for an affordable way to achieve clean, precise cuts on softer stones, these are worth considering. At number 4, we have the Angelong Jewelry Lapidary Saw. This compact yet powerful machine is designed for DIY enthusiasts and professionals who need a multifunctional tool for cutting, grinding, and polishing. Powered by a 200-watt motor with variable speed control ranging from 0 to 10,000 RPM, this mini table saw is highly versatile and suitable for a wide range of materials, including jewelry, jade, wood, and plastic. The Angelong saw features a detachable 100-centimeter flexible shaft and an angle-adjustable ruler, making it perfect for precision work. The dual buffing wheels allow you to use 2 different types of grit simultaneously, which is a huge time saver. The machine also includes a water reservoir for wet cutting, helping to keep the blade cool and minimize dust. However, the assembly process can be a bit tricky, so be prepared to watch the instructional video before getting started. Where this saw shines is in its versatility and compact design. It's a great option for those who need a portable yet capable tool for small-scale projects. On the downside, the 200-watt motor may not be powerful enough for larger or harder materials, and the build quality leaves room for improvement. But overall, it's a solid choice for hobbyists who want an affordable and multifunctional lapidary tool. Taking the 3rd spot is the Mingfushin Mini Table Saw. This is the latest 3rd-generation model, designed specifically for DIY enthusiasts and hobbyists. Its standout feature is the variable speed motor, which can reach up to 10,000 RPM, giving you precise control for cutting, grinding, carving, and polishing. The 350-watt motor ensures consistent performance, even during demanding tasks. The Mingfushin comes with a larger operating platform and better accessories compared to previous versions. It includes a detachable 42.5-inch flexible shaft, making it easy to maneuver for detailed work. The dual buffing wheels and water reservoir add to its versatility, allowing you to tackle a variety of materials, from rocks and jewelry to wood and metal. However, some assembly is required, so be prepared to dedicate some time to setting it up. This mini table saw is ideal for those who want a compact yet powerful tool for their creative projects. The build quality is decent for the price, but it's not the most durable option on the market. Additionally, while the 350-watt motor is more powerful than some competitors, it may still struggle with very hard materials. Overall, the Mingfushin is a great all-around choice for hobbyists on a budget. In 2nd place, we have the Darulong Trim Saw, an intelligent cutting machine designed to handle a wide range of materials, including glass, stone, ceramics, and more. What sets this saw apart is its diamond-coated blade and patented water self-feeding design. which cools the blade during operation and reduces dust. This makes it not only efficient, but also safer and cleaner to use. The Darulong saw is lightweight and easy to operate, even for beginners. It includes a complete set of accessories, so you can start cutting right out of the box. The horizontal design allows for precise, visible cuts, and it can even handle vertical cuts for wine bottles and other cylindrical objects. With a speed of 3,000 RPM and a 120-watt motor, it's not the most powerful on the list, but is sufficient for most DIY projects. This saw is perfect for hobbyists and DIYers who want a user-friendly, all-in-one solution. Its versatility and ease of use make it an excellent value, but the limited power means it's not suitable for heavy-duty tasks. If you're looking for a compact and functional lapidary saw, the Darulong is a fantastic choice. And finally, taking the top spot is the Skill 7-inch wet tile saw. This is a powerhouse in the lapidary world, offering a perfect blend of performance, durability, and affordability. With a 4.2 amp motor and a blade speed of 3,600 RPM, the saw is designed to handle tough materials like stone and masonry with ease. The stainless steel top is corrosion resistant and supports tiles up to 12 by 12 inches, making it ideal for both small and large projects. One of the standout features of the Skill 3540-02 is its adjustable rip fence with a miter gauge, which ensures accurate straight and miter cuts. The blade cooling water reservoir keeps the blade cool and minimizes dust and debris, enhancing both safety and cutting efficiency. The saw also offers bevel cuts from 0 to 45 degrees, adding to its versatility. This saw is perfect for professionals and serious hobbyists who need a reliable, high-performance tool. It's well-built, easy to use, and offers excellent value for its $109 price tag. While it's a bit heavier than some of the other options on this list, the added stability is a bonus for precision work. Overall, the Skill 7-inch wet tile saw is the best all-around choice for those seeking quality and functionality. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.